Good morning, student. See, in previous lectures we have seen some unit processes. Okay, in previous lecture we have seen some unit processes. Now in this lecture we will see preparation of some useful intermediates. Preparation of some useful intermediate. So first category in this intermediate synthesis is what? Benzene derivatives. Okay, benzene derivatives or benzene intermediates. Okay, the intermediates which belongs to what? Benzene ring. Okay, or they are having core moiety, core structure. Okay, as a benzene. So these are what? Benzene derivatives as a intermediate. Okay, so first intermediate for synthesis is benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. So what is the structure of benzene sulfonic acid? Benzene sulfonic acid is benzene ring is having sulfonic acid group. So we have to synthesize this benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, how we can synthesize or how we can prepare this benzene sulfonic acid? Okay, so let us see. So for the preparation of benzene sulfonic acid, benzene is reacted with concentrated sulfuric acid. Benzene is reacted with what? Concentrated sulfuric acid at 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. Benzene is reacted with what? Concentrated sulfuric acid. So this concentrated sulfuric acid I have written in this form, isn't it? So to get benzene sulfonic acid, so what we will get? Benzene sulfonic acid as a product, and byproduct will be here water molecule, isn't it? Byproduct will be what? This water molecule OH and H. So this SO3H will get joined to this benzene ring carbon, so we will get what? Benzene sulfonic acid as a product. Now see, this reaction is a reversible reaction. Okay, preparation of benzene sulfonic acid from benzene, this reaction is a reversible reaction. Hence we have to add in this reaction oleum also. Okay, in this reaction we have to add oleum also. What is oleum? Oleum is what? A mixture of concentrated sulfuric acid and sulfur trioxide gas. Okay, what is oleum? A mixture of concentrated sulfuric acid and sulfur trioxide gas is what? A oleum. So this oleum also we have to add in this reaction, then the equilibrium of this reaction will get shifted towards right hand side, isn't it? Okay, so what is this? Benzene sulfonic acid. How to prepare benzene sulfonic acid? Now second, benzene 1,3-disulfonic acid. Benzene 1,3-disulfonic acid. How to prepare this benzene 1,3-disulfonic acid? Okay, what is the structure of benzene 1,3-disulfonic acid? Okay, benzene ring is having two sulfonic acid group at 1 and 3 position with respect to each other, isn't it? So this is what? Benzene 1,3-disulfonic acid. So for the preparation of this benzene 1,3-disulfonic acid, we have to take benzene sulfonic acid as a starting material, benzene sulfonic acid, isn't it? What we have to take? benzene sulfonic acid as a starting material, and this benzene sulfonic acid is reacted with oleum. Okay, it is reacted with what? 65% oleum. So we know oleum is having sulfuric acid, isn't it? Oleum is also having sulfuric acid, so that's why I have written this sulfuric acid here. At 80 degrees Celsius, so what we will get? So we will get benzene 1,3-disulfonic acid, isn't it? So this is what, how to prepare benzene 1,3-disulfonic acid from benzene sulfonic acid. This is what? Benzene sulfonic acid. So this benzene sulfonic acid is reacted with 65% oleum at 80 degrees Celsius. So we will get what? Benzene 1,3-disulfonic acid as a product. Okay, now let us see third intermediate in this synthesis is sulfanilic acid. Third intermediate is sulfanilic acid. Let us see it. Third intermediate is sulfanilic acid. Sulfanilic acid. How to prepare this sulfanilic acid? Okay, what is the structure of sulfanilic acid? Let us see that. Sulfanilic acid is what? Para-amino benzene sulfonic acid. Para-amino benzene sulfonic acid is called sulfanilic acid. Okay, now let us see how it can be synthesized or how it can be prepared. Okay, for the preparation of this para-amino benzene sulfonic acid or sulfanilic acid, we have to take aniline as a starting material. Okay, we have to take aniline as a starting material, and this aniline we have to react with what? Aniline we have to react with concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, so aniline is reacted with what? Concentrated sulfuric acid. So what we will get in first step? We will get aniline bisulfate. Aniline bisulfate, anilinium bisulfate. Okay, anilinium bisulfate. This what we will get in first step. When we will react aniline with what? Concentrated sulfuric acid, what we will get? We will get anilinium bisulfate. Now this anilinium bisulfate in next step, it is heated around 260 to 280 degree Celsius. Okay, 260 to 280 degrees Celsius. So this process is called baking. This process is called baking. Okay, so anilinium bisulfate is heated around 260 to 280 degrees Celsius. Okay, so what will happen? There will be a loss of water molecule. there will be a loss of water molecule and we will get what? This is phenyl sulfamic acid. Phenyl sulfamic acid. So there is a loss of water molecule from this anilinium bisulfate through baking process to get phenyl sulfamic acid. So what we will get? Phenyl sulfamic acid. Now see, in next step, this phenyl sulfamic acid this phenyl sulfamic acid will get rearranged. Okay, will get rearranged. So I will call it as rearrangement. Will get what? Rearrange. So there will be a shifting of this this hydrogen to this nitrogen, and this sulfanilic acid group, sulfonic acid group, it will get shifted to this para position. Okay, so what we will get? So we will get sulfanilic acid, isn't it? Sulfanilic acid, NH2SO3H. So para amino benzene sulfonic acid is called what? Sulfanilic acid. So in this way sulfanilic acid is prepared. Okay, for the preparation of sulfanilic acid, okay, what we have to take? We have to take aniline as a starting material, and we have to react aniline with what? Concentrated sulfuric acid. So what we will get? Anilinium bisulfate in first step, isn't it? So that anilinium bisulfate, we have to heat it around 260 to 280 degrees Celsius. That process is called what? Baking process. And through this baking process we will get what? Phenyl sulfamic acid. Okay, phenyl sulfamic acid. Why it is called phenyl sulfamic acid? Because this is what? A sulfamic acid, NH2SO3H. What is it? Sulfamic acid. So it is what? Phenyl sulfamic acid is a derivative of what? Sulfamic acid. Phenyl sulfamic acid is a derivative of what? Sulfamic acid. Hence it is called phenyl sulfamic acid, and that phenyl sulfamic acid will undergo a rearrangement. That will, there will be a shifting of this sulfonic acid group, SO3H group, to para position, and this proton will get shifted to nitrogen. Okay, and thus we will get what? Sulfanilic acid, isn't it? Okay, now let us see next preparation. Next preparation is nitrochlorobenzenes. How nitrochlorobenzenes are prepared? Nitrochlorobenzenes means what? Either we will have orthonitrochlorobenzene or metanitrochlorobenzene or paranitrochlorobenzene. Okay, so next synthesis is nitrochlorobenzenes. So which are these nitrochlorobenzenes? Nitrochlorobenzenes are orthonitrochlorobenzene, metanitrochlorobenzene, and paranitrochlorobenzenes. So these are what? nitrochlorobenzenes. So we have to prepare these nitrochlorobenzenes. How we can prepare it, isn't it? Let us see. So for the preparation of nitrochlorobenzene, we will take chlorobenzene as a starting material, isn't it? So this chlorobenzene is on reaction with concentrated nitric acid plus concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, that is means chlorobenzene is treated with nitrating mixture. Chlorobenzene is treated with what? Nitrating mixture around 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. So what we will get? We will get a mixture of product. We will get a mixture of product orthonitrochlorobenzene plus para-nitrochlorobenzene. So we will get two products here. One is orthonitrochlorobenzene and second one is what? Para-nitrochlorobenzene. So proportion of these two products is like this: 34% orthonitrochlorobenzene we will get and 66% we will get para-nitrochlorobenzene. Okay, so by this method we cannot prepare meta-nitrochlorobenzene. By this method, that means nitration of chlorobenzene. Okay, nitration of chlorobenzene by nitrating mixture, that is concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Okay, which involves 1 mole of nitric acid and 2 mole of sulfuric acid. So by this nitration of chlorobenzene we will get what? Orthonitrochlorobenzene and para-nitrochlorobenzene as a product, isn't it? So we cannot prepare meta-nitrochlorobenzene through this method. So meta-nitrochlorobenzene is prepared by another method, and that involve chlorination of nitrobenzene, isn't it? Chlorination of nitrobenzene. That means take nitrobenzene as a starting material here. Okay, and reagent is what? Chlorine gas, and catalyst is FeCl3, Levy's acid, FeCl3. So we have seen this unit process, isn't it? So what product we will get? We will get meta-nitrochlorobenzene. Here what we will get? Meta-nitrochlorobenzene as a product. So in this way we can prepare nitrochlorobenzenes, orthonitrochlorobenzenes, okay, meta-nitrochlorobenzenes and para-nitrochlorobenzene. Okay, so in this reaction, in first reaction, this chlorine group is what? Ortho-para directing. Hence we are getting what? A mixture of ortho and para product. And in second reaction, nitro group is what? Meta directing. Hence we are getting meta product, isn't it? So in this way we have seen preparation of benzene sulfonic acid, benzene 1,3-disulfonic acid, then sulfanilic acid, and next what we have seen? Preparation of nitrochlorobenzene. So these useful intermediate, how they can prepare, how they can synthesize, this what we have seen in today's lecture. Okay, you can just go through this.